What up, everybody? We're gonna start. I think this may be our last chapter for this year. We may have to skip volume, which is kind of lame, but whatever. So this chapter is all about area. And the first few lessons shouldn't be like anything new. This should be kind of review stuff. So 10.1 is area of triangles and parallelograms. If we remember with rectangles and parallelograms, remember 4 sides, the area of this is base times height. For triangles, we can have acute triangles, scalene triangles, we can have right triangles, doesn't matter. But the area for these is 1/2 times the base times the height. So with this, we have a rectangle, and we know it's a rectangle because we have 4 right angles. And so if this is 4, that's got to be 4. If this is 12, that's got to be 12. But all we have to do is the area is the base 4 times the height, or if the base is 12 times the height. It doesn't really matter what order you put this in. 4 times 12, 48. That was a really bad 48. Let me rewrite that. 48. There we go. And if I give you units, then the units are squared. So units squared. If I don't give you units, don't worry about writing that. But if I do give you units, I expect that the units are squared. For this, the area, the base is 15. The height of this is 11. If we do 15 times 11, do some quick maths, 165. All right, we got a triangle, so we're going to do area 1/2 times 9 times 20. You can also write this, if you want to, as 9 times 20 divided by 2. Either way is perfectly fine, but if we do some quick maths here, we get 90. All right. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do this one. This is 5, this is 13. Hey, it's a right triangle. That's got to be 12, Pythagorean triple. So one way that you can do this is you can do it triangle by triangle or all together. So if you do triangle by triangle, this first triangle right here, I can do 1/2 times 10 times 12, which is 60. And then I can do 1/2 times this triangle right here, 5 times 12 times 5 times 12, which is 30. And if I add these together, I get 90. So that's one way you can do it. Another way that you can do this is just by taking the entire base. So area 1/2, the entire base is 15 times the height, which is 12, and you still get 90. So that's one way that you can do it. Both ways work perfectly fine. All right, with this, if I know that this is 18, that means the height of this has got to be 6, because this is 12, and I need 6 more units in order to make 18. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of this rectangle. This rectangle right here. So the area of that is just the base times the height. So 12 times 13, the area of that is 156. And then if I want the area of this triangle, I know the height is 6, 1/2, but the base is the same as this base right here. So 13 times 6. 1/2 times 13 times 6 is 39. So then if I want the entire area, man, my computer is not working with me today. If I want the entire area, I can just add these two up. 156 plus 39. If I add that up, I get 195 units squared. All right, find the shaded area. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the entire area of this whole thing. So whole thing, I'm going to do the area is 10 times 15, which is 150. And then if I want the area of this little white space, 3 times 9 is 27. So for the shaded part, I can just subtract. The area is 150 minus 27. 150 minus 27, quick maths, 123. And that is it for that. Please let me know if you have questions. If you want to hop on during office hours and get some help with anything, please let me know. Or if you just want to say hi, miss you guys, you can pop in too. That works. Yeah, that's it.